Let's sit here. Come sit here. Let's do hey guys. 1, 2, ready, go. Hey guys. Turn to the camera. Turn. See camera. Turn. Look at the camera. Good. Yeah. Good. Oh yeah, let's do hey guys. 1, 2, ready, go.
Hey guys. I am Mommy, Bernice was putting on your lipstick when you left. So.
Oh really?
Yes.
Were you putting on my lipstick when I left?
She put the pink one.
Oh really? So you guys, I told you guys I wanted to go and buy a walker for my son. So I got there. This is actually not the one I wanted to buy, but when as I took my husband there, when my husband saw this, my husband liked it, and he was like, let's just buy it. He's going to use it for just a few months, and after that, we just pack it. What's the essence of buying too much of an expensive ones? This one is quite of a high quality, but it's definitely going to serve the purpose. So let us do what? Let's unbox it. She's not even here. Because she's not even here. She's not even listening to what we're saying. Oh yeah, tear the nylon. Yeah. The cellotape they use here. Okay, wait.
I got it.
Hold on, let me open it from here. Perfect.
Wow!
Wow.
Look at this.
Yeah.
That is chill. Mommy, unbox this one.
Don't enter inside. It's not for you. It's for King Bryan. Yes.
The baby is to enter this. Not. Wow. Let me give you.
This one is going to be here.
Let me to Bryan. And I got your money inside.
So let's fix the tires and have him use it.
See the tire here. And yes, this is where the tire is.
Not there. Wait.
Wow. I fixed it already. Is it not supposed to be here and here and here? Wow. Okay, but wait, we are fixing it, yeah? Yeah, wait, you are fixing it. We are fixing it, yeah? I finished it, yeah? Let me see. Mommy, put the tire.
That's what I'm doing.
That's what I do. In me that puts this tire. Remaining here and here. And here.
your hand so you know what you
Good. Very good. Then Bryan. Wow! The Bryan will ride it. The Bryan, leave it.
Yes.
Leave it. Leave it. I
Yeah,
know
so
that it's your
how you
own.
do?
Just leave it first. Let me turn it on. See his motor. His motor.
Okay, no worry. Let's stand it up. We're done fixing it now. Let's stand it.
Yes, let's start it. I'm so happy. If we start it, then it's going to be a surprise for him. Mommy. Take
Shift the
Bernice.
Bernice.
Man is playing with his toy. Motor. Ta-da! His motor. Mommy, stand up and fix it. Yay! Wow! Yes, this is more like, I like it so. Mommy, let me go and sit on it.
Yes, that's what I want to do. Now, let us have the owner of this worker sit on it, right?
Yes. It's
So let's count from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. It's like it's not even touching the ground. Yes. It's not your motto. It's not your motto. It's fucking Bryan. You've started now. Madam, it's not your motto. It's fucking Bryan.
Mommy, his leg is reaching the ground.
His leg is not reaching the ground. So you have to touch here. Play with these toys. Then we're going to be putting in battery. Come, let's go to the back. We're going to be putting in battery.
Yes, so I'm going to move by itself.
So that it's going to
Move by
it's
itself.
going to be making noise. It's going to be singing.
Yes. It's going to be do 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 do.
So you guys, oh yeah, come, let me show you guys what I bought for you people.
Okay.
Bring Pink Bryan. See, he's playing with his work already. He's having fun with it.
The lion is having fun. Wow, his motor is fine. Ever he marks something.
Yeah. Do you like it? Wait. Do you like it, baby?
Baby.
Say yeah. Okay, let me show you. Let me show you guys what I bought for you. Sit down.
Okay.
Sit down. Yes. Bring the camera down. Don't be looking me out from head. But you cannot bend down, man. So I bought you for a cup. Wait, first. This one is for King Bryan.
This one is for us.
Wait, first. So which one will you choose?
This one.
Which one will you choose?
I choose this one.
This one is for King Bryan.
That's mistake.
And it's take red. Let me take yellow. King Bryan take blue. Look at that. It's so fine. You don't want it? Okay, sorry. So keep King Bryan's own. See your own. I love you. That's what it says. It says, I love you. So fine. This is Beverly's one.
Yes, I like it.
Yep.
Wow.
Let's pick King Bryan's one. Wait, let me show you guys. Let me show you what I bought for you. So, is this what the lady put for me? This is not what I bought now.
Is it not for King Bryan?
Not the one I wanted. I took the other one and then she put this one for me. So I bought this for you. Okay.
Yay! I choose this.
Do you know what it is?
What is this?
King Bryan, look at your own toy. And then I
Wow!
bought some spoons because you don't have spoon for school. So I
Wow,
bought some spoon and fork.
That's
I bought plates. I basically bought things that are meant to be using in your house. And then I bought this for King Bryan. King Bryan said, and then I bought you some.
I opened this thing and it was bubbling.
Yeah. And then this one.
And this one for King Bryan.
Mm. And then this one. Yeah, hold this one. Take it. Yeah.
Mommy, this is bubble tea back.
Uh-huh.
Thank you, Mommy.
Yes. See, let me show you. Make sure you don't throw away the water. You do like this. Look at. Look at that. Look at that.
Look at this.
I have to blow your. You do it small. Blow it small. Blow it to the hair.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah. Come to the camera. Blow it to the camera. See now, I know that's how you're going to do your own. Did they say it's for mouth? Like food.
Let me try mine again. But I like this.
Bernice are thrown away at home. Okay, basically, where's your toy? See another one.
See the other thing.
See another one. And then see another one.
Us, we have our own. Oh!
Yay!
Bye.
I have to go and wash it first, baby. Let's go and wash all of this toy. This is the only thing I did not. I didn't buy this. I asked her to drop it. I bought a beautiful plate for you and spoon. Then she put this one. I don't like this. I have to go and change.
That means you throw your own bubble water away.
Let me rush. Let me wash it, okay? I'm coming back. Okay. So thank you guys so much for watching.
Bye.
watching. See you guys again. Let me go and wash Brian's toy and give it to him because I know he's going to put it in his mouth. So bye.